Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing a wholesome and delicious, healthy Til Barfi, a perfect festive treat packed with nutrition and amazing flavor. First, take 2 cups of sesame seeds. Roast them on low heat. Keep stirring. Roast for 1 minute. Roast til on low heat to avoid bitterness. Now pour in a plate and cool completely. Keep aside 3 tablespoons til or sesame seeds for using later. Transfer the rest to a blender and make a coarse powder. Now grind 3 tablespoons almond and 3 tablespoons cashew nuts. Now add half cup desiccated coconut, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Then mix well. In another pan, add 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup water. Boil until it reaches one string consistency. Keep aside. Now heat 2 teaspoons ghee. Ghee enhances flavor and texture, so don't skip it. Add the sesame powder mixture and roast for 1 minute. Now pour in the warm sugar syrup. Use warm sugar syrup for smooth binding. Add the remaining sesame seeds. Cook until the mixture separates from the pan. Grease a plate. Pour the mixture. Spread well. Add sesame seeds on top. Once cool completely, cut into pieces. Sesame seeds are among the oldest oil seeds known to mankind. Til-based sweets have been enjoyed in India for over 5,000 years. Til is considered a symbol of warmth and energy during winter. Traditional Sankranti celebration always include til sweets. Cut the barfi only after it cools for clean edges. Til is rich in calcium and healthy fats. Dry fruits add natural protein and energy. Coconut improves metabolism and digestion. This barfi is a healthier sweet option for festival. Your nutritious and delicious healthy til barfi is ready, perfect for gifting, celebration or simple evening treats. Which winter sweet should I make next? Like the video, follow the page and subscribe for more healthy homemade recipes.